Fried fish. The fried fish exercise develops the muscles of the back. Lift your 2 arms first. Then your 2 legs. 2 arms again. And 2 legs. Lift both your arms and legs twice. Start the sequence from the beginning. 2 arms. 2 legs. Lift together. Set down. Lift. And done. Cradle. As you're lying on your tummy, hold your ankles from the outside and then lift your legs and upper body up high. Cradle. Bring up and set down. 2, 3, 4, and down. Ring. When doing the ring exercise, keep your hips down, support your upper body with your palms on the floor, and touch your head to your pointed toes. At the start of the exercise, support your weight on your lower arms. Lift one arm up high, and then lift the other one too. Raise yourself with a wave, supporting yourself on your palms. Close up into a ring. Stretch your elbows out. Ring. If you can, touch your head to your pointed toes. Jump. From a demi-plie, we jump high up in the air. We will stretch out our knees and pointed toes. Then we land softly and quietly back into a plie. Put your hands on your hips. Plie. Hop. Plie. Stretch. Plie. Hop. Plie. Stretch. Plie. Hop. Plie. Stretch. Plie. Hop. Plie. Stretch. Hop. 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 Double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap. When doing this exercise, make sure your knees and pointed toes are nice and straight. Tap, 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 tap. Close. Front, tap, side, tap, front, tap, and close. Start again toward the back. Bears. Jump from one leg to the other so that your straight legs touch in the air. Hands on your hips. Pointed toes to the side. Jump to the other leg. Point, point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start the bears. Hop, 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 and close. Point and flag standing. Stand with your back straight, your feet turned out. During this whole exercise, keep both knees straight. Put your hands on your hips. Forward point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, and close. Start with the other leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close. Next to the side. Point, flex, point, flex, point, and close. To the other side. Straighten your knees. Point your toes nicely. Small leaps to the front. Graceful arm movements. Start with the other leg. Don't put any weight on your pointed toes and turn your feet out. Start the lifts to the side. Keep your arms in second position. Point, point. Stand firmly on your supporting leg. Lift your working leg straight. Point, and close. Rooster. The rooster is a jumping exercise where we lift up our knees, alternating left and right. Make sure you don't land on a straight leg. Bend your knee after every jump. Plie, lift, 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 lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double speed. Lift, 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 lift. 5, 6, 7, and now faster. Fast, 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 fast. Lift, 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 lift. Point, point, close. Crane. This exercise is effective at improving flexibility as well as the strength of your abdominal muscles. While lying down on your back, try to keep your lower back on the floor. Lift, bend, straight, down. Other leg. Lift, bend, straight, down. Straighten your knees. Lift, flex, point, close. Other leg. Flex, point, close. The same thing 2 more times. When lifting your leg, make sure your knees are nice and straight. Keep your lower back on the floor. Straighten your knees and pointed toes. Lift both legs at the same time. Open your legs into a straddle position. Close, flex, open, into straddle. Close, point, open. Close, flex, open. Hold your ankles and bounce your legs. Then a little swing to the right and left. Try to touch your toes to the floor. Close your feet up in the air, then put them back down to the floor. Bridge. Make sure to do this exercise on a carpet or floor that is not slippery. While lying on your back, first put your hands on the floor beside your ears. Then lift your knees up. Place your feet right behind your buttocks and then push yourself up in an arch. Keep this bridge nice and high. And then lower yourself back to the floor. And again, hands in. Knees up. Bridge. Stretch your elbows nice and straight. Lift your head up from the floor. A little swing back and forth. And then slowly, carefully lower yourself back down. Candle. Let's try to keep our back, buttocks, and legs in one straight line like a candle. Swing your legs up. Lower one leg to touch behind your head with toes pointed and then do the same with the other leg. Straight, pointed toes behind your head and then carefully roll down into a lying down position. Another candle. And then open your legs to the side twice. Then slowly, softly roll through your spine all the way down. Middle split. When your legs are in a straddle position, make sure your knees are always facing up and your back is nice and straight. Put your hands on your hips. Stretch your knees and flex, point, flex, point. Quick flex and point 4 times. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, spider. Bring up your knees with your toes flexed and stretch. Point. Put your palms on the floor in front of you and stretch. Bring your knees up and stretch. Open your arms to the side and lean onto your one leg. Straighten up and lean onto your other leg too. Support yourself with your palms and lift up your buttocks twice. Climb forward into a split, then close your pointed toes in a frog position. Next, open your legs and climb back into a straddle position. Front split. You should be practicing your splits every day so you could do them nicely with each leg in a few weeks or months. Start in a straddle position, a little breath with the arms. Turn into a kneeling position with your other leg stretched in front of you. 2 arms to the side, palms on the floor. Lean onto your straight knee 3 times. Lean. Stretch. Next, bend your knee up front, stretch your leg to the back and bounce. Put your knee down. And then stretch again. Next comes the split. Try to stretch out your legs both in the front and in the back. Then return to the straddle position. Now let's do the exercise to the other side too. A little breath. Then turn to the other side. Close. And look up. Close. And stretch. One more time. Start the little bounces. Slowly slide down into the split. Try to stretch your knees out nicely. And sit back down in the straddle position. Swing. Now let's do a little dancing, swinging exercise which improves your coordination very well. Put your hands on your hips. Start the swinging steps to the side, left and right. Close your feet on the midpoint and then step out to the side. Swing, swing, close and step out. Swing, swing, close and step out. Do the same thing again. Swing, swing, up and out. Now the same thing with the arms. Swing, sha, ha, say, swing, swing, sha, ha, say. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the same thing with double speed and chasse. Swing, swing, chasse. Swing, swing, chasse. Swing, swing, chasse and down. Bravo, great job! Reverence. This is the end of today's ballet lesson. Let's bow goodbye. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you again soon. A little breath. Then step out to the side. Close the arms and the legs with a small demi-plie. Step out to the side and finish with a plie.